Scott with Yakima here. Let's learn how to install and use the Yakima EasyTop padded roof rack. The EasyTop is our first ever soft roof rack. It's designed to fit almost any vehicle, and it's perfect for quick trips, occasional long hauls, and even rental vehicles. No tools are needed, so let's get started. In the box you'll find the EasyTop, heavy-duty straps, and some tie-down rope. Install is easy. First, thoroughly clean your vehicle's roof. Then, open the buckle on each padded rack by pressing the side buttons and the safety button at the same time. Next, open up your vehicle's doors and place the EasyTop on your roof. Make sure the two soft racks are spaced at least 24 inches apart from one another. Time to secure them in place. First, route the attachment straps through the open doors and inside the vehicle. Be sure to go through the doors and not through the open windows. Then secure the EasyTop's buckle inside your vehicle and tighten the strap by pulling hard on its end. Excess strap goes here once the EasyTop is secure. Close your vehicle's doors and that's it. Your EasyTop is installed and ready to load up with gear. The EasyTop can support loads up to 80 pounds, such as a kayak, skis and boards, or even a ladder. To load, first grab your gear and move it to the side of your vehicle. Then lift and place the load centered on the EasyTop. Now use the heavy-duty straps to secure it down. Start with the front rack and run the non-buckle end of a strap through the D-ring on the end. Then select the gear loop that most closely matches the width of your load and run the strap through it, like this. Next, run the strap over top of the load and move to the other side of the vehicle. Thread the strap through the gear loop closest to the edge of the load again, and through the second D-ring on the other end. Now, thread the strap through the buckle end and pull it tight. Be sure to leave the buckle floating in space and not in contact with the EasyTop or the load on top, and tuck away any loose ends. Now, repeat the process on the rear soft rack using the second heavy-duty strap. For long loads, like this kayak, be sure to use the included rope to tie down to a secure point on the front and back of the vehicle. Before you head out, double check that all straps and tie downs are secure, and retighten if necessary. That's it. You're ready to roll. When it's time to remove the EasyTop, simply open your doors, unbuckle the strap, and set it aside for next time. That's it. The EasyTop is, well, easy. See you again soon.